Welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn another lessons. ABC phonics with different types of vehicles. Are you ready for it? Let's start. A sounds ah, ambulance. B sounds bus. C sounds car. Again, C sounds D sounds dumping truck. Again, D dumping truck. Dear friends, read after me. E sounds excavator. Again, E is for excavator. Little friends, your turn. F sounds fire truck. G sounds garbage truck. A sounds helicopter. I sounds inflatable. J sounds jet. Little friends, your turn. K sounds kayak. K sounds kayak. L sounds lifeboat. Again, lifeboat. Dear friends, read after me. M sounds motorcycle. N sounds narrowboat. Again, N sounds narrowboat. Dear friends, read after me. O sounds off-road vehicle. Again, O off-road vehicle. P sounds police car. P sounds police car. Little friends, read after me. Q sounds quiet bike. Again, Q sounds quiet bike. Little friends, your turn. Q is for quiet bike. R sounds race car. Again, R is for race car. Little friends, read after me. R sounds race car. S sounds space shuttle. S sounds space shuttle. Little friends, your turn. S sounds space shuttle. T sounds train. Again, T sounds train. U sounds unicycle. V sounds van. Again, V sounds van. Again, V is for van. Dear friends, read after me. W sounds wagon. Again, W sounds wagon. X sounds X-ray car. Y sounds yes. Again, Y sounds yes. Z sounds zeppelin. Again, zeppelin. Thanks for watching.